reviewer. A French-style flatbread with mushroom and a blend of cheese. Well, cheeses, I meant. So that's the label. So here are the nutrition facts. Here are the ingredients and this little long label that I'm not going to read right now because it'll probably take me an hour to read. So the price is $4.29, about $4. So cooking instructions are right there. It's a product of France. Flag right there. And let's unbox, cook, and hopefully eat it. Oh yeah. So, sorry. It's kind of smushed here and it's very small. Even my father, who's a fully grown man, will eat this and still be like, I'm hungry. So normally we put this on like a slice of bread and make it like a sandwich. So that's a little suggestion for you guys. That's the way we eat it, but maybe you guys can share some suggestions of the way you guys eat it. Let's cook it. See you guys at the oven. So the pizza is now gonna be put into the oven. Let's see how it turns out. So we did it for 18 minutes, but only 6 minutes left on the timer now, but it's already boiling. Boiling. I'll start with a little sound. So now I'm going to be tasting the pizza because it cooled down and is out of the oven. So I got a mini slice to taste. So you can see it, there you go. It's still a teensy bit hot. It's delicious. It tastes like mushroom because it's a mushroom and a variety of cheese pizza. You guys see it? There you go. Bye. Subscribe and press the like button.